it's Rue. So today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look. This is like super cute. I love it. I've really been feeling the pink lately. It's very much giving like natural blush. So if you want to see how I do this look, super cute, super simple, stay tuned and keep watching.
I say God gave me the recipe. Ain't no deceiving me. Inhale, exhale. I know he ain't leaving me. Had to cut the ties with anxiety. It was really trying me. God showed me Satan was supplying me. So I had to, release the burden, let it go. Feel like a dream the way you redeem me. Sun shining on me, no solar eclipse. Blessing how they favor the quick. I said if you lead, I follow. This ain't for show, Apollo. Bro locked up in a P right now, say life looks shallow. Still got more faith in hollows than a hallelujah, but I know you talking to him. Trouble don't last always, you still working when we can't see. And you known to fill them places that look empty. Stay connected, can't go wireless. Can't be blinded or small-minded or silenced. Too much truth to speak, too much hope to bring. It's too much hope in me to sit back, let these people think they gotta be stuck when they can be free. The enemy tried to deceive us all, like pray can't break it all. You fall, gotta get back up, just shake it all. That grace gonna take it all. Wherever I am, my sanctuary. He begin a new work in me like January. I'm in his presence like very early, no longer worried. If he started it, he gon' finish it. That's what his word say, I remember it. Philippians 1:6, I ain't gotta consider it. I believe it, if it's his word, yeah, I receive it. He tryna do a new thing, can you not perceive it? That thing in you, he gon' birth to see it. Let's go. Keep that in your head. I can't get that out my head. Can't get it out my head. I can't get it out my head.
Now I never doubt because my father proud of me. I pray my soul stay intact until I'm in the ground. Used to trip about my sins, but they don't haunt me now. I tried to outrun shame and guilt for years. He said meet me at the water, now I'm feeling crystal clear. With God on my side, ain't nothing I could ever really fear, right? Yeah. But how you go and change the boy like that? How you go remove my stains like that? No other gods can really love me like that. Send a prayer and get blessed right back. Ain't no devil in my plans, just evidence of God's hand on that. Yeah, this my story, this my testimony. Yeah, and we gon' take it to the farthest corners. Yeah, I had to get my life right. I was losing my light, and then I realized that you really are.
You are all I need. You are all ever need. I used to wonder, why would God love us like this? And it didn't take me long to understand that God was the creator without you. He was the sustainer without you. But without you, he could not be the redeemer. And the reason he loves us is because through us, God can manifest on the side of who he is. See, your mistakes are not the occasion for banishment. They become the opportunity for God to reveal himself. So when you're hurting, he says, let me show you more of who I am. When you lose things, when you make mistakes, when you feel that you've gone too far for rescue, he says, let me show you more. Now, if all this is not enough for you to want him, then nothing will. All I need.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go the godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
God gave me the recipe, ain't no deceiving me. Inhale, exhale, I know he ain't leaving me. Had to cut the ties with anxiety, it was really trying me. God showed me Satan was supplying me with Satan. Yeah, for God has not given us a spirit, I gotta bring that back. Timothy, but a power, love. God showed me Satan was supplying me. 2 Timothy 1:7. I say, yeah. I say God gave me the recipe, ain't no deceiving me. Inhale, exhale, I know he ain't leaving me. Had to cut the ties with anxiety, it was really trying me. God showed me Satan was supplying me, so I had to, release the burden, let it go. Feel like a dream the way you redeem me. Sun shining on me, no solar eclipse. Blessing how they favor the quiz. I said if you lead, I follow. This ain't for show, Apollo. Bro locked up in a P right now, say life looks shallow. Still got more faith in hollows than a hallelujah, but I know you talking to him. Trouble don't last always, you still working when we can't see. And you known to fill them places that look empty. Connected, can't go wireless, can't be blinded or small-minded or silenced. Too much truth to speak, too much hope to bring. It's too much hope in me. You sit back, let these people think they gotta be stuck when they can be free. Try to deceive us all like pray can't break it all. You fall, gotta get back up, just shake it all. That grace gon' take it all. Wherever I am, my sanctuary. He begin a new work in me like January. I'm in his presence like very early, no longer worried. If he started it, he gon' finish it. That's what his word say, I remember it. Philippians 1:6, I ain't gotta consider it. I believe it, if it's his word, yeah, I receive it. He tryna do a new thing, you not perceive it. That thing in you, he gon' birth the seed. Let's go. Keep Can't get you out my mind. I can't get you out my mind.
Right here, I'm just setting my under eye with the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the color Honey. I'm putting this on just under my eye, the bridge of my nose, and then like the part right between my eyebrows to give myself some highlight. But then I'm gonna go in with the black opal setting powder, and then I'm just kind of sharpening up my eyebrows with this pencil. As you guys know, I don't fill in my eyebrows before I line them with concealer. I just go with like my natural brow. But like if you can tell, like on the eyebrow that I'm not doing right now, it's a little sparse at the end, at the tail of the eyebrow. So I just like to fill those parts in just to give them a little bit more definition. But so right here, I'm just getting straight into the eyeshadow. So I'm just starting with a transition color. I believe this is a light brown color. I didn't really feel like I needed to show you guys the palettes because I pretty much use the same palettes like in my other videos. So whatever eyeshadow palette you use, just use like a light brown. And then one important thing though that I am doing is using a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going in with a flat fluffy blending brush. I'm actually using my blush palette in the lightest pink that I have because I actually don't have an eyeshadow in this color. So I'm actually using my blush and I'm just packing it in there. You know, packing, blending, mostly packing to get the pigment onto my eyeshadow lid. Again, a flat fluffy blending brush. There's a difference between, like, I'm pretty sure there are professional terms. I don't know what they are, but I know there's a difference between a fluffy blending brush and then like a flatter one and then a straight flat brush. But yeah, this part is self-explanatory. I'm going in with the Juvias Place, the coffee shop palette, and I'm just adding a little bit of brown to the tail end of my eyeshadow just to give my eye some more depth to it. I am going to be doing a wing liner, so I thought this would be a nice touch to just give it a little bit more depth. I've done the eyeliner off camera, but I think I might have another video of me doing eyeliner, and if I don't, just comment, let me know. If you want to see how I do my winged eyeliner. I'm just putting some of that same pink color like in the corner of my eye and adding some shimmer to it again just to give a little bit more depth to it. By the way, these lashes are the Demi Wispy lashes by Ardell. The long ones, I get these from Ulta, but you can get them from Target and CVS as well. Anywhere but from $11 to $13, and 6 come in a pack. And then this is how I put them on. I am going back under my eye with like a brown color. You can do this if you want to. So just adding some brown under my eye to give it a little bit more pop of color.
Now I never doubt because my father proud of me. I pray my soul stay intact until I'm in the ground. Used to trip about my sins, but they don't haunt me now. I tried to outrun shame and guilt for years. He said meet me at the water, now I'm feeling crystal clear. With God on my side, ain't nothing I could ever really fear, right? Yeah. But how you go and change the boy like that? How you go remove my stains like that? No other gods can really love me like that. Send a prayer and get blessed right back. Ain't no devil in my plans, just evidence of God's hand on that. Yeah, this my story, this my testimony. Yeah, and we gon' take it to the farthest corners. Yeah, I had to get my life right, I was losing my light. Then I realized that you really are.
You are all